I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating your Clip Cash account and verifying identity, because this unlocks full features and higher limits. Enter your name, email, and phone, then verify with a government photo ID and the last 4 of your SSN so transfers clear faster. Once done, link a bank or debit card using routing and account numbers, or add a card. This establishes your funding source. Make sure to allow permissions for instant verification, so you avoid delays when sending or receiving funds. Next, fund and move money efficiently. Add balance via bank transfer, instant card top-up, or enable direct deposit to minimize fees. When you send money, tap recipient, enter the exact amount, and include a clear note. This helps tracking and reduces disputes. If you request money, set a due date, add reminders, and use the split feature for shared bills so everyone pays their share. Also, verify recipient contact info before sending to avoid misdirected transfers. To finish, withdraw funds to your linked bank with standard or instant transfer. Choose ATM withdrawals or card cash out if supported. You should enable app PIN, biometric unlock, and 2-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. If something goes wrong, check your account limits, pending holds, and recent activity for reasons transfers fail, then retry the same method or use a different funding source. If issues persist, contact Clip Cash support with transaction ID and screenshots for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.